Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix your folder cannot be shared in Windows 10. Right-click Shared Folder, click Properties. Click Sharing tab. Click Advanced Sharing. Check Share this folder. Click Permissions. Check Allow All to Everyone. Click Apply, OK. Click Apply, OK. Click Advanced Sharing Settings in Windows search bar. Click Advanced Sharing Settings. Click and expand all networks. Check Turn off password protected sharing. Click Save Changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.